Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a remote starter using the OEM key on an Audi Q5 2018. So we have, this is the new Audi key. We're going to press the lock button 3 times. The vehicle will receive the command. In a few seconds the car will start. We're going to have the vehicle running for a set time that we have preset. In this case we have done 15 minutes. We also have in this vehicle the Smart Start from Viper that will allow us to start the car from the phone. When you come to the vehicle, all you have to do is unlock the doors, have a seat in the vehicle, and you can drive. Remote starter for Audi and other vehicles is available at Car System Installation. Thank you for joining us and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.